In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send delayed email in Outlook. Scheduling emails is a simple way to reach people at the right moment, whether you're working across time zones, avoiding late-night messages, or planning follow-ups in advance. I'll walk you through how to do it in the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then show you how it works in classic Outlook for Windows. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by composing your email as you normally would. Add your recipient, subject, and message. When you're ready to schedule it, look to the Send button and click the small drop-down arrow next to it. Choose Schedule Send. You'll see suggested times you can pick with a single click, or you can choose custom time to set the exact date and time that works best. Once you've picked the time, click Send. Your message won't go out immediately. Instead, it will wait in your drafts folder until the delivery time arrives. That's expected behavior in this version, so don't be alarmed when you don't see it in Sent yet. This is a great option when you want to plan messages ahead and ensure they arrive during business hours. Now, if you're using classic Outlook for Windows, the flow looks a little different. Compose your email as usual. Then go to the Options tab. Some versions might label this as the Message tab. In the More Options group, click the More Commands arrow, or you might see Delay Delivery available directly. A Properties window will open. Check the box labeled Do Not Deliver Before, and choose your desired date and time. Click Close to confirm those settings, and then click Send. In this version, your email will move to the outbox and stay there until the scheduled time. Keep in mind, Outlook must be open for the message to send at the exact time you set. If Outlook is closed, it will send the next time the app is open and connected, so plan accordingly, especially if you're stepping away from your computer. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.